Hi, I'm Tobias. I'm a production engineer at Ampelmann. Right now we have a lot of different projects. We have the electric A-type, that's the new innovation project that's going on. We have a lot of W-types that are being built and leaving our facility, as well as multiple overhauls. The electrical rental fleets are a new innovation project that we're working on, where we're converting to a fully electric-based system. Right now they're testing the new electric platform. So they just married the gangway with the electric hexpot, and I saw it move the other day for the first time, which I think was a huge success. Right now we're having two overhauls, one of a complete hexpot with a gangway and one of only a gangway that's getting a revision update as well as a hoisting system. Lately we've been having a lot of the factory acceptance tests of the W-type. Which is really cool to see, because the W-type is by far the biggest gangway that we have, and it's completely electric, so very silent. So when it's testing, it's a 20-30 ton gangway moving very fast, very quietly. It's very impressive to see. Right now for Ampelmann it's a very busy time here in the OZB. We have more than normal amount of projects that we're working on, so it's quite a challenge to keep everything running smoothly. But I think all the mechanics and as well as the growing supply chain division is really working hard to ensure that keeps going.